In this episode, we travel to Long Key to camp at our favorite campground on the East Coast, Encore's Fiesta Key RV Resort and Marina in the Florida Keys. So stay tuned as we tour this beautiful 28-acre resort surrounded by the Gulf of Mexico.
Road sign, white lines, long drive and I'm feeling something holding me back. Cut ties,
Welcome to Key Largo.
lies inside and I never meant to say that. My eyes wide, I'm running high, seaside and I never wanna go back. A long drive into the night.
It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day in the Florida Keys.
Old ease, quiet streets, salt sheets, didn't realize what it meant then. Heartfelt, need help, all or nothing, nothing happened and I fell in. My eyes wide, I'm running high, seaside and I never wanna go back. A long drive into the night. I'm fine, but I wish I never said that. A long drive into the night.
Now it feels like the Keys.
Yes, ma'am, it sure does. I know if you overseas highway. I know if you. You're my friend. We can do this every year.
Fiesta Key RV Resort and Marina has 324 full hookup sites, many of which face the beautiful blue waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The sites themselves are a little tight, but it's worth it for the beautiful views. If you don't have an RV yourself, you can stay in either their on-site motel or one of their cottages. The motel rooms can sleep 2 to 4, and the cottages can sleep up to 6. No pets are allowed in the rentals, but they do allow service animals.
There are several bathrooms in the campground. They are clean and well maintained. This Encore park has a propane station, but no dump station. What a view! Nothing but ocean for miles and miles.
The Marina store has a good variety. You can pick up some grocery items, some souvenirs, and fishing bait, all in one convenient stop. The laundry facility is open 24 hours a day and has a good number of machines. It is located next to the large off-leash dog park. This resort had many activities hosted in the rec center, including exercise classes, cards, and mahjong. There's also free Wi-Fi and DirecTV. Currently, the campground does not offer cable at your site. There's a beautiful small beach here and a public restaurant and bar called Oceans 305 that we enjoy very much. You can rent kayaks or stand-up paddleboards right here in the campground. If you're looking for some fun in the sun, you can visit the elevated pool overlooking the Gulf, enjoy one of the hot tubs, or relax in a hammock. The campground also has cornhole, basketball, pickleball, and a playground. You are welcome to bring your boat. Just be sure to reserve your dock in advance. They offer gas and bait on site, and there are fish cleaning stations throughout the marina.
Up towards the entrance, you will find the kayak launch, as well as a dog walk.
We highly recommend ending your day at the Sunset Point Tiki Hut. We see beautiful sunsets every night.
set you free. Are you gonna make a move? Are you gonna come and see? Whatever you wanna do, you know it's cool with me. Whisper in the dark, whispers in the dark. You come to play, don't you? Looking for something new. I got a lot underneath, tricks up my sleeve. You got some magic in you. I got the car and all of that. We can drive away to Cali, find ourselves down in the valley, having